One question that I've had about power stations that have dual solar inputs is whether or not you can connect up two different solar panels with different specs to those two ports. Or could you connect up, say, two solar panels in parallel on one port or in series if the voltage isn't too high, and then could you put a single panel on the second port and actually get good power out of it? So today, while conducting another experiment, I realized that I might be able to get more power by doing that, and since I'd been wondering whether I could or not, I decided to give it a try. I should probably clean these panels off. They're pretty dirty. They're also very hot, so I don't want to mess with them right now, but we've got 3 of those panels connected to the Aferiy. When I first set up my Aferiy P280, I took 2 400-watt bifacial solar panels, put them in parallel, and connected them up to one of the solar ports of the Aferiy P280. But it has 2. And I watched it for a while, and it was getting about 660 watts or so off of those 2 400-watt panels that, frankly, are dirty. So even though they're pretty much in full sun, they're not going to get max power when they're dirty like that. But I began to think, I've got 2 more that I could connect up, but I don't have paralleling cables for those. I only have 1 set of paralleling cables, so I can only parallel 2 of them. But what if I could hook a 3rd panel up and connect it to the other solar port and find out if I will actually get more power that way? I really needed to get about 1,000 watts because of the experiment I was running, and I thought, well, I'll have 1,200 watts of dirty solar panels going into 2 ports, and I wonder if it can handle that, because I was thinking that they put those 2 ports at 500 watts and it's 1,000 watts total. And it doesn't say in the book anywhere that I could put 400 watts on one port and say 600 on the other port. What would happen if I over-paneled one side and then just connected 1 panel up to the other port? So I decided to give it a try. I got everything hooked up, plugged it all in, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that yes, indeed, I could do that. In fact, it was getting as much as 893 watts off of that 1,200 watts of dirty solar panels, despite the fact that I had 800 watts going to one port and 400 going to the other port. And when I checked with my amp clamp, so we're actually getting 20 amps out of the panels that are in parallels. And on the single panel, we're getting 12.5 amps. Well, I got just over 20 amps off of the over-paneled side and about 12.5 amps off of the single panel. Well, that's actually pretty good, and I have to admit I'm impressed with that. So if you've got a power station with 2 solar ports on the back, I suggest you give that a try if you're in a situation like I am, where you don't have the exact same panels, or where you've got enough panels to hook 2 up on one side and 1 on the other. I suggest you give it a try. You may find that it works out really well. Now, of course, as always, if you try something and the book doesn't say you can do it, it's on you. But you know what? This is what I'm doing. You don't have to, but it worked for me. I was kind of impressed. So good job, Aferiy, on the P280. I like the fact that I can do this because not everybody has 2 panels that are identical, or perhaps 2 500-watt panels that are identical, or even 4 that would make that 1,000 watts. Sometimes you've only got 2 different panels or 3 panels that are all the same, and how can you hook them up? Well, this is how I did it. It worked really well, and I could probably put them in series, but I don't think that Aferiy P280 would like that voltage, so I didn't bother to try that. But in any case, folks, there you have it. You can actually put 2 different solar panels on the 2 ports of at least the Aferiy P280 and get good power outage from them. I'm actually impressed by that. So there you go. Thanks for watching, folks, and thanks to all my members. I really appreciate your support. Meanwhile, I'm going to throw another video right over here for you to check out. Thanks again, folks. You all have a great day. The old Jarhead out.